Welcome. In this video we will see wafw00f information gathering tool in Linux. wafw00f identifies and fingerprints Web Application Firewall products. How does it work? To do its magic, wafw00f does the following: sends a normal HTTP request and analyzes the response. This identifies a number of WAF solutions. If that is not successful, it sends a number of HTTP requests and uses simple logic to deduce which WAF it is. If that is also not successful, it analyzes the responses previously returned and uses another simple algorithm to guess if a WAF or security solution is actively responding to our attacks. It detects a number of WAFs. To view which WAFs it is able to detect, run wafw00f with a -l option. At the time I did, the output is as follows. wafw00f allows one identify and fingerprint WAF products protecting a website. Let's open up wafw00f tool, application, IDS or IPS identification, wafw00f. Basic usage or syntax: wafw00f, URL1, URL2, URL3. For example, wafw00f http www.victim.org. Here you can see that the options are -h for help, -v for purpose, and so on. Let's type wafw00f www.outlook.com. Here we found a firewall detection on our target website. Reason: the server is different when an attack is detected. Let's type wafw00f www.google.com. Here we could not find any firewall detection. So that's it in this video on wafw00f information gathering tool in Linux. Thank you for watching this video.